Welcome to online learning. Today is a learn about E for environment, and today's topics are types of waste, waste management, landfills, open dumping and burning. Our environment nourishes life on this planet. It is due to water, air and trees that the life is possible on this earth surface. If there will be no tree, there will be no pure air and there will be no potable water, then what will happen to the life which is found here on the earth surface? The natural balance of our environment is getting disturbed because of pollution. Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, light pollution. We have many pollutions are there which are creating imbalance between the natural environment and human-made environment. Deforestation, we are cutting trees, we are decreasing the number of trees, and due to that it is creating an imbalance in between the environment and between us. Population pressure. Increasing number of population is demanding for more food, more clothes and more infrastructure, and due to that we are destroying more of environment and we are creating an imbalance in the environment. It is very important to re-establish this delicate balance. We must not cut trees, we must not pollute air, and we must not cross our limit. A limit, if we cross, then we must realize that we have done something wrong with the environment, and after that we'll be experiencing the very bad result of destroying the environment. So we must try to create or re-establish delicate balance between the environment and the human being. We should not pollute and damage our environment through our activity. We must not pollute the environment. We must not throw garbage here and there in a irresponsible manner. We must not cut trees, and we must not do such activity by which we are damaging our environment. We should do our best to conserve, protect and nurture our environment. You see here we have a very deep mine is there, and do you know what is the consequence of this type of deep mine? It will create soil pollution as well as air pollution. So we must plant tree and we should conserve our environment, and this will save our planet and make it a friendlier place to live in. When there will be more and more plants and trees, we will get pure air, pure water and a fresh environment to live in. The earth will be a friendlier place for us to live in. Otherwise, we don't know what shall we do, where will we go if we destroy our natural environment, because there is no such a nearby planet where you can go and you can live after destroying the environment on this planet. All of us generate huge amount of waste every day. We have two types of waste are there. First one is biodegradable, second one is non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable. So what are these biodegradable wastes? Leftover food, fruits and vegetable peels, leaves, all comes under biodegradable waste. Biodegradable material rots easily and mix with the soil. Microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, and earthworms decompose such waste. Second one is non-biodegradable waste. So what is this non-biodegradable waste? E-waste, aluminum cans, silver foil, plastic goods, all comes under non-biodegradable waste. E-waste, what are these e-waste? E-waste or electronic waste consists of parts of computers. You can see here, these are the parts of motherboard, mobile phones and other electrical devices. Non-biodegradable waste materials don't rot easily and don't mix with the soil and remain in the environment for a long time. Here you can see a polythene sheet is there, and it is there but it is not going to rot easily, and it might be there for 400 to 500 years. Here you can see many plastic bottles are there, and this type of things which are non-biodegradable will stay in the environment for a very long period of time. Waste management. The practice of collecting, treating and disposing waste in order to protect the environment is called waste management. You can see these are waste management plant. Here they are collecting the waste and it is being treated here, and after that this waste will be disposed properly. Various methods are used by people to dispose waste. So here we shall learn about landfills. So what is this landfill? Landfills are an important and a popular method of waste disposal. Landfills are found in the outskirts of a city. This is a ditch. And what will be done here? Those people will bring those waste and they will just fill this gap. They will fill this ditch, and this is called as landfill. In this method, deep ditches are dug and waste is dumped in them. When the ditches are full, they are covered with soil, and in some places parks and gardens are built over them. Deep ditches are dug on the outer part of the city, and here the wastes are dumped. And when they are full, they are covered with soil. In some places, parks and gardens are built over them. Open dumping. What is open dumping? Waste is first loaded in trucks. It is then taken far away from the town or city and dumped in the open. Disposing waste in the open pollutes the environment. You see, they are throwing this dust, this waste here, and definitely it will pollute the environment. Next is burning. In this method, solid waste is collected at one place and then burned at high temperatures. You see here we have many plastic bottles are there, plastic covers are there, polythene bags are there, and many things which are made up of plastics are being burned here. And this is the method of burning. So what are the consequences of burning waste materials? If we burn these waste materials, this will pollute the environment. This will pollute the air. Next come to chemical and poisonous waste. Chemicals and other poisoning waste are burned in large furnaces or incinerators. This method is harmful and causes air pollution. Poisonous and chemical waste are burned in furnaces or incinerators. This is a furnace. Inside this, poisonous and chemical waste are burnt. This is an incinerator. You can see burning of some poisonous waste inside this. Now today's homework. What are the two types of waste? Give some examples of both the type of waste. Name the microorganisms that help in rotting of biodegradable waste, and what is the time taken to decompose a plastic bottle. I hope you like the class. In our next class, we'll be learning about some other methods of waste disposal. Thank you.